We have another question, two questions from Tom. I will start with the first one. How much time do you invest to prepare for the session like the one you showed us? And the following questions, how do you predict how long you need for the workshop?
Both of them, you just improvise. So no, the first question, Tom, I had I think 2 times 1 hour meeting with that head of VP of e-commerce. In the first hour, I got to know her. I understood her problems. This was really an intro meeting, like getting to know meeting. I understood the problems. And then I was like, oh, Vicky, next time I'm in London, let's get a coffee because I want to show you a method that I really think will contribute us and you as the head of e-commerce. And then in the second hour, guys, I pretty much did what I just did with you. Not so cool back then. Yeah, you saw my slides from back then were more like, this is what it is, this is why it's cool. So I just did a quick pitch for half an hour, and then the remaining half an hour we talked about, let me go back and show you to that last slide that I've prepared, as in what do we need from our company? How can we get it on, how can we get it into reality? Oh, no. Here. There. So that was half an hour, just really a pitch. That's the method. That's why we should do it. That's why I think it's really great for you. And then the second half an hour, okay, these are the customers we're gonna map. So the users, repeat customer, this is where we start the journey and where we end. This is the granularity or the level we're gonna look at. Let's propose that to people. Oh, to be precise, then I had another call with her where we decided to include that from homepage to confirmation to checkout and just to include it there to kind of calm some of the colleagues that it is there. It's not what we're just going to look at. It's in a bit broader context. And that was it. So it was kind of 3 hours prep, pitch, prep, and really getting it together. I had, say, 1 hour with not even half an hour with the assistant, with T, where I was like, T, just the moment I look at you, you write down. Yeah. And the moment you see me starting to write down, you can leave that to me. So we'll kind of just talk about how we sync up with him and that he'll write the most and that he should take some pictures because I wouldn't be thinking about it. And then we prepare, so 10 minutes before, no, sorry, half an hour before the workshop started, I ran to Sainsbury's and I got 2 bags of snacks. And then 5 minutes before the workshop started, I just put for, while I proposed the scale, T was taking already a sheet per stage and writing the name of the stage on top. So he was putting the wall behind me together. That was it. That's why it's so easy to start with it, right? Because you don't really need a lot of prep before, because you're not going to do much. You're just going to get out the information from your colleagues and let them discuss it and align it and come to an agreed shared picture.
Now we can see that it's not so, scary or takes so many time as we thought before that.
Before I forget though, Tom had a very nice nuance in his question as well. How do you plan? How long will you need? You can't know, Tom. So I thought in 4 hours we're gonna map everything. It was just like 6 simple steps or something, right? Oh man, these discussions, like, you know my voice. I was having hard time to stop these guys at some point in some of the discussions. They were quite heated. So of course I was a bit shocked when I just saw, right, so we have 3.5 steps, but we still have like 2 more to go. So as I said, just after they've done a little bit, when you haven't finished it, don't worry, just ask them, guys, when can we have a follow-up? And then sit and watch the magic, how their calendars clean up miraculously.